Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Today we are going to continue with our database class. Okay, in previous class we learned what's the difference between data and database. I hope those who are not able to attend the class, you can look at the link that I have posted on Edmodo, yeah, in my YouTube uh, regarding the class. Okay, you can catch up from there. I am recording this too, okay, in hoping to help those who are unable to attend the class. So I hope there won't be any unnecessary chatting that I told you before. Okay. Um, so let's continue our class today. Um, Sorry for the delay. I just need to do some how to say, some survey to see what not and what not, what's the best option for us and all. Okay. Just let's do this. Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, so let us do this. Okay, when I start my class, if suddenly you ask, some of you ask to attend group, to join the group or what, I will not be touching my phone. Okay, usually when I'm teaching, I will not be touching my phone anymore. Okay, so I need you to see this now. Okay, this is database. Let's see. Okay, so what is, no, I don't like this. Can you see this clear if I do it like this? Clear, right?
Yes.
It appear in
Yes.
your, yeah. Okay, so what is database actually? What is database? Huh? Um, this is what we are going to learn for this semester. So what's the aim of this lesson actually? What's the aim of this database lesson that we are learning right now, okay? You would be able at the end of the class, okay, we are hoping that, I am hoping that you are able to answer what is database, at least when you are watching this science fiction movie or whatever, you know, when they talk about database, you will not be that lost, you know, at least you know, wow, I have learned about database, okay, something like that. Again, Haris is giving the answer. Copied from where, Haris? Come on. There's only Google here that you are using, right? Okay. Good try anyway. Good try. Okay. What is database? um, Database is actually a collection of data. Okay. A place where you store the data. That's all. Or a base of data. Get it? In IGCSE, if you answer like that, you get 1 point already. Okay? You will get 1 point already. Okay. So, this is the aim of this lesson. You are able to answer what is a database. A place, okay? A collection of data. And you'll be able to understand the basic component of a database, and you can start to plan and create your own database, okay? You are able to understand what is database. You are able to tell me what is database, okay? And then you can understand the basic thing of a database, and you can plan, okay? And create your own. I believe yesterday I asked you to create already your own database, isn't it? What are the things that you can collect at home, that you can collect and create it in one table? That is another, that is one way of you creating database. You plan what do you want to do, okay? Say, let's go for the next one. The keyword here, okay, this is the keyword that I need you to understand, okay, and we'll go to this later on, okay. So we have database. Yesterday we learned about table, fill and record, okay, we learned about fill and record, and primary key. Primary key I didn't tell you yet, okay, but here, who can answer me What is field and record? We have learned this. Okay, what is field? What is field in Excel? This is access, right? Oh, yesterday I explained about field.
Column.
Field called in Excel.
Column
Are you sure?
or row, one of those.
Aha. You have to know, yeah? You cannot or. Is it column or row?
Column, yeah.
Column, yeah? Okay, column. Okay. So field is column. What about record?
Row.
Record is row. That's all. Okay. Okay. So let's go. Okay. What is database? Example that we have here. Okay. Yellow pages. You don't know what yellow pages anymore. You're done. Okay. I mean, you don't really have yellow pages. Before, you know, when I was young, we have this stick of book that has yellow pages, that has all the number of everyone inside there. Those who subscribe to the phone lines, okay, the phone line company. And then mobile phone. In your mobile phone, we saw the video yesterday, okay. No, not 1943, 1979 and 1980s. We still have. Before the existence of smartphone, we still have. And then Microsoft Access also example of example of how to say database. Okay, what kind of information actually? Okay, what kind of information actually you have in a database? Okay, what are the things that you can store in the database? Okay. Okay, who's drinking coffee right now? Answer I. Other than me. I like coffee. Who's drinking other than coffee? Okay. I don't mind that. Okay, as long as you pay attention here. Okay, stand straight. No, not stand. Sit. Okay, pay attention to this. Yeah, you can drink or whatever, but pay attention to this. I need my coffee too, you know. I'm drinking roti. Good, Harith. I hope you won't die, you know, choking. How do you drink? You know, okay, let's go back to our class. What kind of information that could we store in the database? Okay, what are the information that we can keep in the database actually? Okay, usually if you go to hospital, patient information in the hospital. Okay, they have it. Car registration number and owners. Phone number, names of your friend. Also, okay. Student information at school, we have. So yeah. Okay, let's stop this talking. Let's continue with this, okay? Yeah, I agree with. Okay, come on. Yeah, we need the precious. Okay, so we have car, student information, and criminal records. We have all of these things. But now, right now, the most popular database that we are using at home is either YouTube or Netflix. Yeah, okay, my heart goes to Netflix anyway. Okay. Yeah, focus. Okay. So these are the among the information that we can store in the database. Yeah. Let's go to part of database. Part of database. We have table here. Yesterday we learned about table already. Each table within a database will have a collection of fields and record. Customer detail is a table. Okay. Example lah. Customer detail is a table. Okay. So parts of database that we have just now, we talk about table. We have table. So in table, we have fields and records. Okay. Consists of, okay, let's say table consists of fields and record. Okay. column and row. Okay. Field, each field of information in a record is called a field. Okay. Name, Joe Blocks is a field. Name, Haris Al-Khatib is a field. Name, Sahal is a field. Arif, I'm exposing what I'm watching. I know all of you are watching, so just whatever. Come on, let's pay attention to this. Okay. What Devi? Name Devi is a field. Okay, so all of this Saleh is a field. Okay. So we have records. Each set of information about a person or object is called a record. Okay. Set. Okay, field is just like one block, one block, one block. And then we have row records where we have Joe Blocks, the address and all that. This is called a record. Okay, so a record, you can see here name, address, phone number. So this record has 3 fields. Okay, can we pay attention to this now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's not chat anymore. Like I said, done with the chatting. Okay, part of database, another one, primary key. Every table in the database need a primary key. Okay, primary key is very important. Okay, let's say for you, for us, okay, it's a unique, actually primary key is a unique, okay, it's a very uniquely field, okay, that identify each record in the table. Okay, I give you example for you, yeah. For you, you have your IC number or passport number. So that is your primary key, something to identify you. Say if anything happens to you, the police will not go for your other things. The first thing they will go is they will try to find your your IC, your identity card, okay, or passport or whatsoever, so that they can look for your IC number and they can look into their database. Okay, so that is actually like primary key for you. It uniquely identify you. Okay, say 2 people have the same name. Okay, who knows? Okay, Haris, I will text your father right now. Pay attention lah. So let's say 2 people might have the same name. Okay, let's say I am Nadia. We have another Nadia. So we used to have 2 teachers that name Nadia in that school. Okay, when people say Nadia, 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 they don't even say they don't even mention our father's name or whatsoever. Okay. So what happened was you know who are they? Okay. So what will identify us is just our primary key. As for me and the other teacher, we have our staff number in our database. So that staff number is our primary key. Okay, what about you? Can you answer me in school? What are the things that uniquely identify you as a student? Oh my God, my internet connection is not stable. Why? That's the thing. I don't understand why. Am I okay now? Oh. Okay, can you hear me? Am I still lagging? I'm going to repeat this, yeah. In school, okay. In school, okay, in school, me as a teacher, I have my staff card, okay, staff number to identify me as who I am. That is my primary key, okay. What about you? Can you answer me now in the chat area? What are the things that identify you, uniquely identifies you at school as a student? Okay? Which ID? Samir, too ugly. Nobody wants to see your face. Okay. Zanigor answer ID. Your face, you cannot say face, they might be twins. Okay, they used to be twins also in the school. So two people might have the same face. So how can your face identify you? No? You don't have other people. We are talking about something that identify you, something that is able to identify you. In school, baby, in school. Can you relate? True. True. Whatever that Zaid is saying is true. Today is Wednesday. Okay. Student ID. I will repeat what Zaid said. He said, I politely request all of you individuals to stop your bickering and focus on the lesson. Okay, I will repeat what he said because at least he's brave enough to tell you here. Okay, the rest, you are just brave behind the keyboard. Try to do this in front of me in the class. I want to see what will happen to you. Just because you are behind here, you think you can do whatever that you want. Go ahead. Okay. I don't mind anyway. I'll be posting this. But you can look at your attitude. It's your attitude, not mine. It will define you, not me. Okay. So in school, primary key that uniquely identify you for students is your ID card. That's why it's important for you to bring your ID card. Okay. Let's say in IGCSE, I give you one incident, yeah, in IGCSE. If you come in, okay, you might be someone else. Okay, you might be someone else. That's why you need that card. And I know some of you, love to scratch your picture and all. Don't do that. There used to be an incident in the school where students, you know, the big road in front of our school, a student had an accident there, you know, while she was crossing. The first thing that they look is for the ID card. Okay. It was back then, long ago. Okay. So you might think that this is not important for you. Your ID card is not important. You scratch here and there. That thing is actually important. Do not scratch it. Okay. Do not scratch your face. Like what Samir said, I'm ugly. Who cares? Okay. Haris. Haris? Haris? Haris, you better answer me now. I have to kick you from the class, yeah, Haris? until you come and apologize from me. Or the next class, you are not coming inside my class anymore. Okay? I'm not going to waste my time here with this, but the next time you are not coming into my class. Unless if you find whatever that I'm teaching you now is important for you. Okay? So let's continue with this. We don't have much time here. We have only 3 minutes left. Most of my time are being taken by people like you. That's all. Okay? So this is an example of table. We have table, we have field, and we have ID. Okay, this is ID. The ID is the primary key, and we have record. Okay, so these are the 3 things that we learned today. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Table, field, record, and primary key. That's it, and that's all. Okay. If you have any question, do you have any question? I'm going to end this class here. I'm going to repeat again. Haris, if you cannot find my lesson is important, do not attend the class. Okay? That's all I want to say. So I have 2 minutes more. You have any question that you want to ask?
No, I'm fine. I understand.
Okay, you can understand this. That's good. I might come up with a project, group project, unless for those who are unable, okay? Not about willing, okay? Text me personally, okay? I'll find another way for you, okay? As for the textbook, let's see how I can do to help for those who don't have the textbook. I mean, most of you don't have, I mean, it's quite a big number of you who didn't have, okay? So I don't know why it's written here. I have only 1 minute and 30 seconds with you. Yeah, I don't understand why, but I set for 45 minutes. So yes, any question that you want to ask, Nahik? Okay, there's one thing that you need to do. Say if you have to do group project, think of 2 persons that is responsible enough that you can do the project with you. Think. 2 persons.
Same class?
Can be from different class. No, same class is better for marking, yeah. Same class. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. I will end our class here today. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Have a great day, everyone.
Jazakillah. Yeah.
Take care. Don't forget to help your mom at home, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum.
I'll try.